Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Quanta Publishers. Myself Muhammad Zaim Zafar, and in today's video we shall discuss why is it crucial to avoid excessive electrostatic buildup in computers. So have you ever bought new electronic components from the market, and you have often see that these components come in special type of bags, and that bags are basically called static cost-free bags. The main purpose behind these bags is to keep any extra static charge out of the bag, which is stored inside the electric and electronic components of the circuit that is gathered inside the components due to sudden electric cutoffs. So these charges may be stored in the capacitors or any other electronic components of the circuit. So if you are repairing any computer devices or electronic device, you are always recommended that to wear a strap for grounding around your wrist to ensure that you're grounding against your computer. So hopefully you understood the phenomena why it is crucial to avoid excessive electrostatic buildup computers. So stay tuned and Allah Hafiz.